smurfing the new blockbuster movie starring Smurfette. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurftastic. It's got space Smurfs, jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette. And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director. Makeup!
ยังไม่ยิ้มอ่ะ
I'm going to
Gaga
be
Mel.
the star of their movie. Lights, camera, rolling film, and action!
After I catch you, I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not in this scene.
This time I know one.
We're rolling!
I'm tentacle meat vile beast. You call this hospitality? Sir, this vicious beast.
I can't be a star. Then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of the pesky
Next time, I will be the star.
Gargamel helped